everybody, look what we're doing today.
Somebody gave this to us, so we're gonna do it. It's the Shopkins Sweet Shop Vanilla Cookie House decorating kit.
Yeah.
So I'll pick singing. Oh, that's cool. It's already in the thing and ready to go. And what do we get? Candy.
Candy. Gummy.
Her favorite.
Ew. We got little gummy Shopkins. So, yeah. I hope it looks yummy.
This ought to be humorous because I didn't do very well with the Christmas gingerbread house. It was pretty funny. I don't know if we recorded that. Okay, let's see. This looks like a pizza house.
A pizza house.
Not a pizza house, that's Pizza House.
I said pizza.
No, I didn't say pizza. I said pizza. Okay. I'm assuming that's what we have to do. Let's hope so.
I think that's what you do. Or else you can do.
Is there actual directions? Nope. Oh. Icing bag, blah, 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 blah. Okay.
Set.
So, wait.
I can see what you're doing.
Supposed to pay attention to them.
Yeah.
Squeeze
Little
the bag.
hard flowers. And then
Need massage icing for 1 to 2 minutes. So what's coming up in April?
move your head this way. This way.
What? That's March.
No. I tried to put it. No! See? Right there. Mommy's birthday.
Tomorrow. I'll be old.
No.
Oh, good girl. There, I've needed it. Watch it just go. Ooh, it's got a tip on it and everything. Okay. To do something? I'll just squeeze it this way. Do I have to do something? Blah, blah, blah. Oh, cut icing bag. I gotta do something. Hang on. My child-proof scissors here. Which pair of child-proof scissors will work better? Did you just... They face palm me so much in this place. Let me tell you. There we go. Whoa. Now we're cooking. Or icing.
I'm gonna decorate.
Okay.
Ooh, they're green.
You know, you really don't get that much icing. I hope
Can I
it's
taste some?
Sure. It's green. Yummy. It tastes like... Okay. Let's see what they say. I can do this. These are sides. This is a... Oh, that's that part. What is this, the base?
Well, I guess,
You know what I'm doing. Okay, that's like the roof. There we go. We're cooking. We're cooking here. Okay, did it taste good? Just squeeze it on the...
these go on the sides.
No, I think that's roof.
No, it's not.
Yes, it's totally the roof. Notice my awesome technique here.
I think that is so.
No, see, the roof is bigger than the side thinger.
So.
This is a side thingy. Totally know what I'm doing. I'm a certified professional.
First, you need to glue it to the base.
Oh, I guess that would be good. What's so funny? I really don't think this is... I need like some glue. Okay. Let me just sing. Come on, are you serious?
I did nothing.
You.
Hey, thanks for the chocolate.
Chocolate.
Whatever it's called.
Sugar.
Sticky.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We got this. We got this, yo. Okay. Maybe I should hold it for a minute. Let's sing a song. Okay, no.
When I go outside.
Okay. She let me sing today. It was my birthday present. I got to sing a song. It's Bon Jovi.
One.
Yeah. The teenager ran upstairs. Yeah. Well.
I did nothing. You said nothing.
Oh.
Sugar.
Yeah. Oops.
Poop.
Notice my hair.
Poop.
I'm showing my handiwork here. Obviously, I'm a professional.
Poop. Poop.
As long as you get some icing in the place where you gotta glue the thing, you know, that works, right?
Glue, 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 glue.
And it, after, if there's any left over, it just kind of looks like grass or something. I need this. Put some in there.
No, if there's leftover, you use it and then stick
No,
it
I'm
in.
saying if there's whatever's not gluing, it looks like grass. That's a good theory, don't you think? Just say it's not.
Okay, theory.
There, now we're I glued.
You need to hold it in twice like you did.
Sing a song again. Blah, 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 blah.
Hey, I'm gonna actually sing a song.
Need a microphone?
When I go outside, I feel like I'm gonna get booty because my friends.
You need what?
My friends bully me sometimes. Yeah, you heard.
Tomorrow's Saturday. We're going to get our desk put together because we have our chairs, we have the lights, have the camera.
The chairs are really down here right now.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have our new office in Mommy's room. I'm excited. I'll put the roofs on.
Make sure we got lots of glue for that. This house isn't going to go anywhere.
Just like normal glue. Edible glue. There's edible glue, Rena. There sure is a tiny house.
Well, there's Shopkins living in it, so it doesn't need to be that big.
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm going to cough again. Jeez.
I don't want to get sick this time.
Nobody's sick. Is that enough glue, you think?
There's gonna be vines.
That's we could pretend it's like a summer cottage. And there's vines growing everywhere. Check out
What
the
kind of vines?
Can you see? Yeah, that's my excellent
What
handwork.
kind of vines?
The kind that
The video vines?
Oh. Someone needs to go to bed. Someone's overtired. Am I supposed to do this? Yeah. Can you open up the candy? Slap some glue in the middle.
Slap some glue in the middle.
I'm totally, this is like, on point. It's gonna look so much like the picture. You're gonna be like, whoa, did you do that yourself? Like, they used your picture? Yes. Oh, that smells good.
What?
Apple.
Yeah. Let's open this one in half and piece it.
Supposed to decorate with them. They're even little shocking gummies. Yeah. Supposed to be apples in the roof. This is gonna look just like the picture. telling her. What?
Okay.
It's identical, isn't
Can I see it? I'm gonna put the flowers on.
Yeah, you're
I
doing it.
really want to eat one right now.
Go ahead. I'm making the door pretty.
You're supposed to do that. Because you're obviously gonna put that Shopkins on it.
This is getting. Woo, stop tipping in the chair. Oh no, they're falling. Stand up, will you? Jeez.
Fire?
It's either bedtime.
Not for me.
Yeah, I know. We could put your melatonin gummies on here. Let's see. Almost there. This is almost.
You have made a box, please.
No, I want you to be surprised. I'm sure.
I can point to it, the boxes.
I'm sure everyone in YouTube will agree that I'm on point with this reproduction. Oops. What am I forgetting? Did you eat all the gummies?
No.
Oh. Where's the front? This is the front. It's the front. Here. That's like the watch guard right there. I will keep them safe.
Stand up, you little gummy. Maybe you're supposed to glue them to the wall.
Well, that should be enough glue.
Frosting glue.
Yeah, these two dudes are taking a nap. They're like, we're gone. He's standing up. Okay.
We need the sides.
What?
We need the sides to put the cutouts on.
No, we don't need the cutouts.
Why can't we put on the cutouts?
I'll save them for a project.
Hey, I'm doing something here.
Me too. Holy candy, Batman. Okay. The masterpiece.
It's not done.
Oh, it's totally. Look at that. That is on point.
It's not
Those
done
scissors
yet.
aren't going to cut it out very well. I'm going to put one on the door. He's like going in.
It's going in. You wish donut, you're coming out. I got this.
Yeah.
I think.
Where's the front? Isn't it gorgeous?
This sounds like farts.
Sounds like farts.
I don't like tri-poo scissors.
I'm adding more vines.
There's donut.
Okay.
Go right there.
That's good.
Oh.
No, I can't use some print. There, we'll glue him on. He's sneaking in the back. He's like, hey, I'm going to go.
It's not him.
Is it to use donut a girl? There you go. Check at me. Very gummy.
Very gummy.
That's our beautiful house. We do weddings and bar mitzvahs. Give us a call. Go.
Gonna
Mhm.
have some cards that have letters and crap.
Your business cards. I make her own business cards. Well, Vistaprint will be, not me. Okay, take it back. Say your spiel. What the? Give me that.
Really much
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
What else?
I'm still gonna have some frosting.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
And.
Thumbs up.
And.
Say happy birthday to Mommy and Bo.
Oh, thanks. Feel free to say happy birthday if you want. I'll be 29 again tomorrow. Bye, everybody.